Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The All English Period presentation by Group B from Class B. Member name of Group B: Aldita Anggun Fauzia, Usmiati Nurinsani, and Raya Prawira. Concept map 1. Social condition: leaders, king and queen in the All English period will be read by Nurinsani. 2. Characteristics of the literature at the All English period will be read by Raya Prawira. 3. Famous genre the All English period will be read by Aldita Anggun Fauzia. And the last, famous writer from the All English period will be read by Usmiati.
Social conditions in the Old English period. The Old English period in history and in English literature had several stages of development. Because of invasions or invasion of other national tribes, the most dominant was the Blackhead Iberians. The Iberians passed the level of civilization from the Stone Age to the Metal Age, from the level of hunting life to the level of abiding farming. They also raised livestock, hunted, and fished for fish. They lived in small villages in the 5th century. King and Queen in the Old English period. King Akbar was generally credited with being the first king in England from 802 to 839. Little is known in the first 20 years of Akbar's reign, but it is thought that he can direct Wessex's independence against the Kingdom of Mercia. Elizabeth I was Queen of England and Ireland from 17 November 1558 until her death in 1603, sometimes referred to as the Virgin Queen. Elizabeth was the last of the 5 monarchs of the House of Tudor.
Old English poem has some of the following characteristics. The mantra only consists of a single line, which regularly contained 4 tribes words were hard pressed, and the number of syllables was not precise erratic. Each row is divided into halves, each part with 2 hard ones. 2 or 3 syllables precise on each line begin with the same consonant sound. That's it, and alliteration. Old English poems were not usually rhymed. Old English prose has some of the following characteristics. The first, the number of Old English prose pieces is greater than the number of poems. The second, of the precise prose, it was mainly sermon and translation of religious works in Latin. The third, used figures of speech such as acceleration, metaphor, allusion, and so forth. And the last, there are 2 types of Christian prose and secular prose.
Famous genre of the Old English period. The most popular genre of the Old English period was poetry. Poetry was more popular in Old English because it was shorter and denser. Therefore, in ancient England, poetry was more popular than prose, which was Beowulf. Beowulf tells about that he defeated and killed something very powerful, and years later, Beowulf was declared dead because he was killed trying to save his land, which was attacked by his enemies, and the enemies as serpents whose mouth was filled with fire.
Famous writer from the All English period. Number 1, John Keats, born October 31, 1795, London, England until died February 23, 1821. Rome, Papal State, Italy. English romantic lyric poet who devoted his short life to the perfection of a poetry marked by vivid imagery, great syntax, about an attempt to express a philosophy through classical legend. His work is When I Have Faced That Message to Be, To Autumn, To Hope, On the Grasshopper, On the Sea, etc. When I Have Faced That Message to Be. In this poem, John Keats reveals that his fears that might undo his art. He fears that will hinder his chances of achieving a transcendent experience that is the experience of loving without the consequence of deadly thought and observation. Number 2. Elvira Tennyson. First, Baron Tennyson, FRS. The 6th August 1809 until 6th October 1892 was an English poet laureate during much of Queen Victoria's reign and remains one of the most popular English popular. His work is Crossing the Bar, Flower in the Crenelled Wall, Lady Clara Verdover, Mariana Now Sleeps the Crimson Petal, The Sister Saints. Mariana. This poem tells the tragic story of Mariana, a woman who is distraught after being abandoned by her lover.